In the cradle of national industry, luckily, Key-Full automation technology is rooted and grounded. We provide special equipment for solar energy production, from project planning to whole line equipment supply. With a strong R&D and design chain, we meet the personalized needs of our customers. To process technology support, we provide integrated solutions for the entire production line. Based on intelligent control system, realize remote monitoring and maintenance, fully automated equipment production line, comprehensive automatic testing technology, realize the transition from manufacturing to smart manufacturing, quality control throughout the entire process of component production line, ensure the rigor of every process and the quality of products with professional strength, integrate and enrich professional skills with advanced equipment, realize fully automated control, numerous advanced devices, to create an efficient, stable photovoltaic production system for customers. Key-Full Automation's products and services have gone global. Collaborate with multiple international companies. Jointly promote global research and application of new energy technologies. In the future, Key-Full Automation will continue to be driven by innovation, contribute more to the global photovoltaic industry.